How to fix Battlefield 4 not launching. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Task Manager on your device. In here, click on Processes at the top left. Then scroll down, and if you find Battlefield 4, simply right-click on it. After you right-click on it, press on End Task. If you don't find it, what you can do is simply open Battlefield 4 on your display, or simply click on the through, which is Steam. Right click on it and press on Properties. In here, click on Compatibility at the top. In Compatibility, make sure there's tick mark and run this program in compatibility mode. Then at the bottom, make sure there's tick mark and run this program as an administrator and press on Apply at the bottom. Then press on OK and you're good to go. This is how to fix Battlefield 4 not launching. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.